Hi, how are you?
Oh, I am great, thanks. What about you?
Well, I'm very well. What are you going to do on Friday evening?
I am going to the cinema. I'm going to watch the new film of Jennifer Lawrence. I think it will have an interesting plot and the soundtrack will be great. Do you want to come?
Oh, sorry, I can't. I'm visiting my cousins who have come from Madrid. I want to watch Star Wars 7. Some friends told me it's brilliant and has a very famous director. In fact, it's nominated to win an award.
Oh yes, I see it. I recommend it to you. Also, some actors were not very good, the special effects were great. But if you love Channing Tatum, you will like it.
Really, is he the film star?
No, he acts as a secondary character.
Okay, I will see it. Thanks for the recommendation. Let's see. What time are you going to watch the Jennifer Lawrence film?
At 8 o'clock, but if you want to come, we can go later.
Alright, I'm talking with my man this afternoon to see when we are going to visit my cousins. I will call you tonight to tell you if I go or not.
Great, so we're talking tonight. I have to go now. Bye.
Goodbye, Lee.